There's a quiet fear growing in the developer community. Not the fear of bugs or deadlines, but of being irrelevant. AI can generate code in seconds. It answers questions you used to spend years learning. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't overthink. And suddenly, you wonder, what's the point of me? You scroll through LinkedIn, layoffs, automation, teams replaced by tools.
That voice in your head whispers, maybe it's time to retire early. Maybe you're a relic.
But here's the truth. No one's shouting loud enough. AI didn't build itself. Every line of code it writes was made possible by developers who came before you. Every breakthrough, every neural network, every AI assistant was imagined, engineered, and optimized by human minds. Minds like yours. Developers aren't just coders. You're architects of logic. You're digital philosophers. You build things that didn't exist yesterday and make them work tomorrow. AI can help you now, make you faster, sharper, more creative. But it still needs your judgment, your taste, your ability to ask, why not? Even the most advanced AI model needs a human to tell it what to care about. Look around. OpenAI is hiring devs, Meta, Google, startups you've never heard of. All need people who know how to think like you do. So no, this isn't your curtain call. This is your rebirth. You're not being replaced. You're being elevated. Now stand tall, developer. The future still runs on your code.